Hi fellow EFJ fans, today we have the review of our latest purchase which we bought, this beautiful GT8086, alright, also known as the 𝗧𝗵𝗄𝗃. It's a grade 4.5B with 169,000 kilometers on it, and what a beautiful car it is. I'm going to walk you through the car and just show you around, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So let's take a look. As you can see inside, the car is extremely clean, very neat, crackless dash, beautiful seats. All the interior pieces are intact for a 1984 car, which is super rare in this condition. I'm gonna jump inside and start the car for you guys. And one thing with the Toyota, it always starts on the turn. Beautiful 𝗬𝗍𝗃 steering wheel, period correct. Can you believe the aircon works? 1984 and the aircon blows cold. 5-speed manual. And what's cooler than pop-up lights, guys? Check that out. Car starts beautifully, idles well, and sounds aggressive too, as you can hear. A little extra, it has a shift light, which I'm sure you're going to need on those mountain passes. Let's take a walk around the car. So you guys, say hi to Kyoko. So as you can see, it has extras, which is these wide body fenders, which look really cool. They're very subtle, but they really make that rear end look much more aggressive. Sprinter Apex, GT Apex. It's a beautiful car, guys. Watanabe wheels, period correct. Man, this car is beautiful. And this is what we like to do at EFJ. Source and supply beautiful, original, verified cars. Give me a second there, guys. Infamous 4AGE. In here is a little bit dirty, needs a bit of a clean. Nothing we can't handle. What a beautiful car. On to the next one. We have another classic here. This is a beautiful 2000 GDX Nissan Skyline. It's not the GTR, but it definitely looks like its bigger brother. Still very sought after, still very cool car. Grade 3.5, 114,000 kilometers. Wow, that's a time capsule, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I love this shape. It's where it all began for the Skyline. Wow, what a beautiful car, guys. What a beautiful car. Going on, there's something that catches my eye in the distance. Ah, this beautiful black Honda NSX. What a beautiful car. Riding on a nice set of BBSs. I love just walking through the auctions, having a look at all the sports cars and classics and collectibles that are hanging around, you know. Wow. Isn't she beautiful?